Okay, so research aptitude. Today I discuss about some MCQ because previously I discussed lots of MCQ, but due to some reason behind of the app which I used, there must be, I have to stop the lecture in some giving some MCQ. ওকে, তো তোমার কিছু প্রবলেমের জন্য আমাকে কিছু এমসিকিউ করিয়ে তারপর থামতে হয়েছে, ঠিক আছে? তো দ্যাটস ওয়াই today I continue this. After that I discuss about the communication technology, ঠিক আছে, which is based on computer. Okay, so now I started. Okay, তো দেখো জিনিসটা বোঝো, because in research aptitude, teaching